Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal. Welcome and Merry Christmas from the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Unreal Nightmares in Jasonville, Indiana. This is a super unique haunt because it's a haunt escape room hybrid. As we make our way through, we have to find codes and unlock locks just to get from room to room. And there are all kinds of holiday nightmares in here. We were forced to almost eat fruit pie. We had to get human skins out of vending machines. And the dolls that are in here are not excited about us entering their space. We've also got the touch passes, which means it's an extra level of interactive in here. We're going to take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
You go through, you gotta find a code to get out of each and every room, okay? Codes are gonna be anywhere. Floors, walls, computers, TV screens, and even on the creatures themselves. So you may have to get up close and personal with a few of them. With the touch bracelets, if at any point you guys are done being touched, you're over it, don't like it, be sure to take those off and give them to your guy.
Oh my God, the sounds.
Morgan, you back there? I am.
Find the code.
9.
Oh.
I don't like it. I know. I don't like it. I know, I'm behind you.
That guy looks like he's been there a while.
Why are you trying to
Look at the size door.
We got this.
Oh God.
Lindsay, look out.
What is that?
That is a thing.
What is that?
It's a present. I don't know if I call it a
What the
present.
hell
It's a
is
present.
that?
Is that real?
I hope it's not. I don't like any of it.
Find the code.
Find the code. Oh, this is probably Lindsay's favorite room here.
Code.
Swear to God, if that
Oh
no.
my.
No, there's a 4. Oh, 3.
Oh God, that one's alive too.
Where's the numbers, Tyler?
No.
Do you see that? Oh, where the code is? Oh,
I
Lord.
don't like this game. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh God. They made him angry, Marvin. You made him mad.
Oh, they're beating on the wall.
What is that?
I don't know. What is it?
What the heck is that thing? Something making a lot of noise down It is
there.
really dark in here.
It's very dark and something's making noise.
Oh my. Oh yeah,
Hi.
Oh, it's a butcher guy. Dessert? What kind of dessert?
I made it especially for Christmas.
Oh.
That's actually
That's
edible.
good. That looks like one of those fruit cakes or something.
Yeah, it's really good.
I'm allergic to fruit. Is it vegan?
Guys.
What is that?
Oh my. Oh God.
It's a bushman!
It's a holiday bushman. I think we have to find our way out.
It's not wicked! It's a festive bushman!
It is.
Bushman is coming after you!
This looks like those doors like for a restaurant or something. I got a feeling we're gonna have to do something with one of these vending machines.
I think we're gonna have to look for something.
I'm really upset that he didn't try any of my cake.
I'm sorry!
We were gonna pay for some out of the vending
Oh,
machine,
no,
but
don't worry, don't pay for it. It's free.
it is.
It's the holidays, the giving spirit.
That's really good. What else you got in there?
Christmas ham.
A ham?
Yeah, Christmas ham.
Oh, okay. Lindsay, we gotta get some ham out of the vending machine.
What about 122?
Oh, there we go. All right.
37 on it.
Oh, you got a code?
No, we gotta keep
You
that.
sizing me up? Sizing me
Is it
up?
tender?
Oh, we gotta punch it in.
No human in the fruitcake.
There's no human?
What
So
there
it is vegan.
No, he put human in it.
Oh, so it's not vegan.
4837.
Oh, we're gonna have to pass then.
Oh my God, what is that? What the heck is that? I don't know, but I haven't seen that one yet.
Oh my.
Oh my God, that thing is indescribable.
Yeah. The heck is it? It's an almond.
What's back there?
I think it's an almond.
An almond? It's scary. Oh no, what is that? Is this hell?
I remember if you come through here, you don't get any light, so it's a lot darker and a lot creepier in person.
How'd you get in here so fast?
How'd you get in here without the code?
Oh, where are we going?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what have you been working on? Oh, that's beautiful. Whoa, that's Hi, Toby.
Right here.
Well, I'm getting the door. Oh,
You
God.
guys going in that door?
Yeah, we were trying.
Where are you going?
Oh, that way I was.
Maybe not.
No, we're fast.
Maybe we're just staying right here. We might be just staying right
Can you
here.
guys help me with this?
With what?
This?
Oh, God.
Your ankle bracelet?
Santa,
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to have that.
Listen, you hit one old lady. You get an ankle bracelet and a song.
We'll see if we can get a key to get that bracelet off.
Okay.
Quite an interesting strobe.
Oh, it just opened.
Oh my.
Oh, God.
Oh my.
Have a friend.
You have a friend? Oh, gosh.
Oh, definitely have a friend.
Oh, we go right for sure.
Good to see you.
Oh, my.
Oh,
Oh, that guy.
Here we
saw
go.
him out
We
front.
need, oh, God.
Here we
Oh.
go. Stay up there.
You stay up. Oh, he's getting
come
down.
down.
He's getting
Lindsay,
down.
you
Oh,
came
God.
Oh crap. No, let's
He's
go.
coming after us. Oh, my.
That way?
Oh,
Okay,
my.
we go that way. In there.
Oh, my.
Oh, crap.
Oh, God.
Is that our present? Cabinet. Oh, no.
Okay, oh, God.
Oh, Lindsay, what's
We gotta
in
go
there?
in there?
Oh,
going in.
shoot. Oh, God. Lindsay!
I heard Lindsay scream.
Lindsay!
Somebody got her.
Okay.
We gotta go and save her.
Oh, God. All right, all right. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
They're grabbing me.
Don't mind me.
Oh, shoot. Oh,
What is going on in here?
All right, no.
He wants
no,
to know
thank
what our
you.
insides look
I'm
like.
out.
Oh, my.
Oh, oh, God.
You gotta stick your hands in there.
Ew, okay.
What's in there?
I don't know. Oh,
God.
Oh, that's lovely.
what in the world?
Get some kind of bowl.
Oh,
Or something.
Oh gosh.
What's it feel like?
They just took blood. I get it now. Okay.
Blood?
what am I looking for? Oh, oh,
Oh, there's a clue?
oh.
Oh, there's a clue.
No.
Is that a clue?
Ew, there's hair on it.
There's hair on it.
Oh, is that a remain? Okay, all right, that's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Do we gotta
find
find
numbers?
things in there?
You remember?
No, thank you. I don't know what to do. No. Lindsay, your turn. I couldn't get anything in there. Say no. No. No.
You gotta find it.
Oh, it looks like medication. No, sedative. No. You gotta have fast food. Gluten free. Yeah. Start running. And gluten free. I don't know where to run.
Oh, there's a way in there. Oh, God. Oh,
Yeah?
God. I feel like this might be a trap.
I think it might be.
They've got us enclosed in this box.
Oh, God.
Everywhere here.
Definitely trapped. Oh, my God.
Oh, God.
The whole room is shaking.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Oh, God.
That's not good at all.
Can we go in here?
I don't
Oh,
know.
hell. I think so.
Oh, God.
Tyler, come on.
Don't leave it. Oh, God. Oh, what is this? What is this fleshy stuff on the
I don't
wall?
know. I'm not touching it.
Somebody's back here.
Our guide's back there.
Pressing
me. Oh, it's getting skinnier.
Oh, my.
It's getting.
What the hell's that?
That's a
What
Krampus.
kind of room is this?
Oh,
Oh,
that's
the
a big Krampus.
Krampus.
Holy crap.
Oh, fudge.
Oh, God.
Fudge. There's something in there making noise.
Oh, my.
What
No,
in the
don't come
world?
back over here. What are you doing?
Heck is making noise in there.
Oh, God. Lindsay.
That is not good.
That's not good at all. Lindsay, there's one
Oh, my
behind
God.
me.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
That Krampus thing is disgusting.
Oh, they caught me.
Oh, no.
Oh, my.
Oh, God. Okay.
Oh, God.
Help.
It's Krampus.
All right, what are we doing here?
We're going to the door.
I think we're dying.
We are definitely
Right there.
wallowing around in a stomach right now.
Oh, it's very scary.
Yeah, this way, this way. This way. Lindsay, get your tentacle thing out of my face. Ew. Hurry. Morgan, out the way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shoot.
Krampus in here.
We're stuck forever. We're stuck in our unreal nightmares.
Oh, my.
Oh my god.
Oh,
they're so-
Wow.
I think he just got eaten.
That was so much fun.
That was insane. Absolutely insane.
They tried to keep us in there.
Yeah, they did.
Did you see that? They shut the door on us. We are not the presents.
Right? In all seriousness, that was cool. That was very cool.
All right, guys, well, that was Unreal Nightmares here for Christmas. Let us know what you thought. Always a cool trip up here, and we love that haunted house escape room kind of hybrid. You got to find the clues and get out. I'm pretty sure we got eaten there at the end. I don't know what that monster was with Krampus, but I am excited that we got past it. We got a bunch more Christmas haunts coming up this year, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.